M4 Drafting is a powerful 2D and 3D CAD software with an extensive range of features and a versatile selection of industry-specific modules. Thanks to its flexible architecture and a wide variety of 2D, 3D, PLM, and RP interfaces, the CAD software can be adapted to any specific business requirement and integrated seamlessly into any system environment. M4 Drafting features a modern and user-friendly interface. CAD has collected and analyzed user feedback over many years. The result is a clearly structured, modern user interface with a ribbon menu and a context-sensitive dashboard. All elements allow users even faster access to the individual and clearly organized functions. Particular emphasis is placed on ensuring that even new users can intuitively familiarize themselves with the software. All dialogues and functions have been revised once again to make them even more accessible and user-friendly. M4 Drafting offers you extensive features for easy navigation within a drawing. Comprehensive zoom and pan functions make it easier to move around and highlight specific areas for further detailing. Individual views can also be saved for later use. The extensive selection functions in M4 Drafting allow for easy selection of the elements you currently need. With multi-selection, elements of the same type can be quickly selected and, for example, modified or hidden. The drawing sheets in M4 Drafting can be individually adapted to suit your specific tasks. Here, you can choose between the metric or the Anglo-American measurement system. You can also individually set the scale and size of a drawing. Additionally, the scale can be adjusted for specific areas of the drawing. Even sections from another drawing can be referenced in an M4 Drafting drawing sheet. The information in a drawing's title block is intelligent and can be used for storage or within a data management system. As a professional CAD software, M4 Drafting includes an extensive range of drawing functions. You can define individual styles, for example, to use when drawing lines, closed geometries, and many other elements. Closed geometries can be filled with hatching, specific patterns, or a color. Dynamic drawing and adjustment tools make it easier to create and edit a drawing. Customizable grids can also be used to simplify the design process. For dimensioning a drawing, M4 Drafting offers a wide variety of dimensioning tools. Dimensions can be applied according to DN, ISO, BSI, ANSI, JSI, or in isometric style. Labels with freely formatted text can also be inserted or attached to the drawings as notes. A translation database and a translation tool are available for the automatic translation of a drawing. Tables can also be created, imported, or automatically derived from drawing information, for example in the form of parts lists or whole tables. M4 Drafting includes many functions that allow you to automate recurring tasks or drawings. For example, individual components of a drawing can be directly loaded using symbols or primitives. Individual elements can also be saved as symbols for later use or even stored in a catalog. In addition, M4 Drafting includes a parts library from which individual screws, nuts, or other standard parts can be selected, adapted to the drawing, and placed in the desired view. To improve the quality of a technical drawing and make it easier to customize, M4 Drafting offers a range of options to optimally structure it. With layers, individual components of a drawing can be grouped together as global elements. With groups, individual parts in a drawing can be grouped together. Furthermore, individual elements of a drawing can be supplemented with attributes, including information that can be evaluated. The structuring of all drawings takes place in a workspace set, where all sheets belonging to a project can be stored. M4 Drafting includes extensive documentation that provides information, function descriptions, and application examples for every included option or feature. Documentation is also available for every module and every interface. Similarly, administrators can access comprehensive documentation for configuring and customizing the CAD software to company-specific needs. The complete documentation is linked to the software, allowing users to access context-sensitive help directly from within the application. Try M4 drafting yourself now, or contact us to learn more about the professional 2D, 3D CAD software.